Today on The Explainer, we're diving into the brain's electrical code, the all-important action potential.
So, how does a thought move that fast? It's all thanks to a tiny, super fast electrical pulse.
And this is what it looks like. It's an all-or-nothing signal that zips down our nerve cells. The big mystery was, how does a neuron even make this spike? But first, you gotta measure it. The breakthrough came from this incredible invention, the voltage clamp from scientists Hodgkin and Huxley. This device let them lock a neuron's voltage in place to see which currents were actually flowing. When they depolarized the neuron, they saw something amazing, a fast inward current, then a slow outward one. Okay, so we have two currents, but what's carrying them? Which ions are doing all the work? It turns out that first quick pulse was from positively charged sodium ions rushing into the cell. And that later, slower current? That was potassium ions flowing out of the neuron. They even proved this using specific toxins, showing sodium and potassium use completely separate pathways. These pathways are called conductances. The sodium one opens super fast, and then it slams shut. But the potassium one, it's much slower to activate, and it stays open as long as it's stimulated. And when you put these two conductances together in a model, you get a perfect action potential spike. This whole thing is driven by two really elegant feedback loops that work in perfect harmony. A fast positive loop kicks off the spike, and a slow negative loop brings the neuron back to rest. This lets the signal travel down the axon like a wave. But this process on its own isn't very fast. So how does the nervous system get those incredible speeds? With a special kind of insulation called myelin. And wow, what a difference! Myelination boosts the speed from just 2 meters per second to over 120. This is called saltatory conduction. The signal literally jumps between these gaps, speeding everything up massively. You can really see the difference. Myelination is the secret sauce for rapid-fire communication in our brains. So why is this so important? Because when this high-speed system breaks down, the results can be devastating. In diseases like multiple sclerosis, the myelin is lost. This severely disrupts nerve signaling and causes major problems. So the brain's basic code is electric. Understanding it is the first step. What other secrets are hiding?